Nestled along the northern coast of Mindoro Island, Sabang is one of the Philippines' most spectacular diving destinations. Fringed by lush tropical hills and surrounded by crystal-clear waters, this small coastal paradise attracts divers from around the world seeking vibrant coral reefs, dramatic underwater landscapes, and unforgettable marine encounters. The beaches here may not stretch for miles, but what Sabang lacks in size, it more than makes up for in beauty. Calm, turquoise waters lap against the shoreline, while traditional Filipino outrigger boats gently bob in the bay. Beneath the surface, however, lies the real attraction. Just a short boat ride offshore rests one of Puerto Galera's most famous artificial reefs, the Alma Jane Shipwreck. Originally a Japanese cargo vessel, the Alma Jane was intentionally sunk in the year 2000 to create a new habitat for marine life and an exciting destination for divers. Today, the wreck sits upright on a sandy seabed, transformed into a thriving underwater ecosystem that continues to grow and evolve with each passing year. As divers descend through the warm tropical waters, the wreck slowly materializes from the blue. What begins as a dark silhouette soon reveals itself as an impressive structure covered in coral, sponges, and marine growth. The ship appears almost frozen in time, resting peacefully on the ocean floor while nature steadily reclaims every surface. The transformation has been remarkable. Over the years, the Alma Jane has become a living reef. Its metal hull now supports countless species of marine organisms, turning the once industrial vessel into a bustling underwater metropolis. Almost immediately, divers are greeted by schools of fish circling the wreck. Hundreds of fusiliers flash silver and blue as they move through the water in synchronized formations. Batfish drift effortlessly alongside the structure, while snapper and sweet lips gather around the sheltered sections of the hull. Every corner of the wreck seems alive. The railings are draped with soft corals and sponges. Small reef fish dart in and out of openings. Hidden among the shadows, lionfish hover motionless as they wait for unsuspecting prey to pass by. For those who take the time to look closer, an entirely different world begins to emerge. Tiny nudibranchs, often called the jewels of the sea, can be found crawling across the wreck's surfaces in an astonishing variety of shapes and colors. Shrimp and crabs occupy cracks and crevices throughout the structure, while curious gobies peek out from their tiny underwater homes. The Alma Jane is famous not only for its larger marine life, but also for its incredible biodiversity. Macro photographers often spend entire dives searching for the countless small creatures that call the wreck home. The ship itself provides endless opportunities for exploration. Cargo holds, passageways, staircases, and open compartments create a maze-like environment that attracts fish seeking shelter from predators and currents. These protected spaces have become nurseries for many species, further increasing the wreck's importance within the local ecosystem. The sandy seabed surrounding the vessel adds even more diversity. Garden eels can sometimes be spotted swaying gently in the current, while rays occasionally glide silently across the bottom. Depending on the season and conditions, divers may even encounter larger pelagic visitors passing through the area. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Alma Jane is witnessing how quickly nature can adapt and flourish. What was once a working cargo ship has become something entirely different, a vibrant reef supporting countless forms of life. Artificial reefs like this demonstrate the resilience of the ocean. Given time, marine ecosystems can transform man-made structures into thriving habitats that benefit both wildlife and conservation efforts. As divers make their final circuit around the wreck, schools of fish continue to swirl around the structure, creating a constantly changing display of movement and color. Sunlight filters down through the water, illuminating sections of the hull while casting dramatic shadows across the seabed below. It's easy to understand why the Alma Jane remains one of the most popular dive sites in Puerto Galera. It's a place where history and nature meet beneath the waves, a place where a sunken ship has been given a second life, and a place where every dive reveals something new, whether it's a rare nudibranch hidden among the coral or a massive school of fish moving as one around the wreck. For divers and ocean lovers alike, the Alma Jane is far more than just a shipwreck. It's a living, breathing underwater ecosystem and one of Sabang's most remarkable marine treasures. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.